literally on a cappuccino kick right now. I got a pumpkin banana bread for you guys. It's gonna have chocolate chips, it's gonna be moist, it's gonna be so lovely. If you're interested in this recipe, stick around, I got your back. I'm Samantha. I'm here to help you bake. I'd love to teach you all my tips, all my tricks, all my recipes here for you at your disposal.
Let's start off by weighing our room temperature butter. Next, weigh out the brown sugar. Next, you're going to weigh out your baking soda, your all-purpose baking flour, and your salts. In a new bowl, we're going to weigh out our very ripe bananas and our pumpkin puree. Both are going to be the same weight. Now when I say ripe bananas, I mean almost black, and you can also freeze them and just use them whenever you like. Using the KitchenAid stand mixer, I have the brown sugar and the butter whipping up together. This is called the creaming method, which is whipping up sugar and butter, getting it all incorporated and beautifully whisked together. You always want to make sure that you're scraping down and under the sides of your bowl just so everything can incorporate. I failed to record it, but I did throw my eggs inside of this mixture. Now you're going to add your banana and pumpkin puree mixture, and you're going to throw it back onto the stand to whisk together. Now slowly pour in your dried ingredients, making sure your mixer's just on the stir setting so the flour doesn't go spiraling out of control. This is me adding a little bit of cinnamon into this mixture because pumpkin and cinnamon just go hand in hand, plus it's fall. Now I'm going to smash together walnuts and chocolate chips. These are my favorite chocolate chips. They are callets from Callets. I'm not sure if I'm saying it correctly, but they work amazing for any recipe, I promise. Now let's go ahead and fold in those walnuts and chocolate chips to the base.
Little pan here, little loaf pan here. Now you can do the old school way. You put the butter down, rub down the butter on the sides, you add flour, tap it all out. But why don't we make our life a little easier? Spray her down, shake her up, spray her down. This is the baking version. It smells so good. I'm like one of those vanilla scent girls. Now we're gonna pour this in. Just give her a little tappity tap tap. Going at 350 degrees. In the meanwhile,
This is just a simple glaze that's going to go on top of the bread. It's icing sugar, cinnamon, and a little bit of milk. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, say hey if you are new in the comments below. See you all soon.